Hello, my dear students of class 8. Dear students, currently you are learning the chapter that is the combustion and flame, and this is the chapter number. This is chapter number I think 5. That is the chapter number. Just a moment. This combustion and flame, and you have already studied about the previous videos, that is in the previous videos, and so many things in the previous video, and this is the chapter number 5. So fuel, now let us see what is the fuel. So fuel, in our daily life, most important sources of energy are fuel, okay, which is burned to produce heat is called fuel. For example, kerosene, LPG, coal, petrol, diesel, wood, these are some fuels. And calorific value of the fuel, the amount of heat produced by the complete burning of 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value. It is expressed in kilojoule per kilogram fuel efficiency. So this is the calorific value of a fuel, that is kilojoule. The calorific value of fuel is usually determined by the competency, that is completely burning a known mass of the given fuel. So after burning some fuel, more heat, whereas the other produces less heat. The usefulness of a fuel is measured in terms of calorific value. The higher the calorific value, the better the fuel will be. जितना ज़्यादा कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू किसी फ्यूल का होगा वो उतना ज़्यादा ही अच्छा होगा. जैसे देखिए, काऊ डंग केक का जो कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू है 6000 to 8000, वुड का जो है 17000 से 22000, कोल का 25 से 35000, पेट्रोल का 45000, केरोसिन ऑयल 45000, डीजल 45000, मीथेन 50000, CNG 50000, LPG 55000, बायोगैस 35 to 40000, and hydrogen, that is 1,50,000. So these are the calorific value, and जितना ज़्यादा calorific value होगा किसी का वो उतना ही best fuel होगा. इसको आप समझ लीजिए. So good fuel and bad fuel. The types of fuel: solid fuel like coke, charcoal, wood, wax, coal, cow dung cakes, and liquid fuels like diesel, petrol, kerosene. Gaseous fuel like compressed natural gas, CNG, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, biogas. And let us see the characteristics of the good fuel. तो गुड फ्यूल के क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हो सकते हैं? ये चीप हो सकता है, मतलब इकोनॉमिकल हो सकता है, सस्ता हो सकता है, रेडली अवेलेबल मतलब जल्दी से उपलब्ध होने वाला हो, इजी टू हैंडल, आराम से इसको हैंडल किया जा सके, सेफ टू ट्रांसपोर्ट में सेफ्टी हो, कन्वीनियंट टू स्टोरेज भी कन्वीनियंट हो इसका, बर्न इजली इन एयर एंड एट ए मॉडरेट रेट, फेयरली हाई इन calorific value, produces a large amount of heat, having an ignition temperature more than the normal room temperature, non-polluting in nature, they burns without the leaving any residue. तो ये अच्छे जो फ्यूल होते हैं उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं जिनको आपने अभी देखा. And now let us see the burning of the fuel. The burning of the fuel leads to the harmful products like Fuel like coal, wood, etc., petroleum releases the unburned coal particle which causes the respiratory disease like asthma. And the combustion of fuel adds the carbon monoxide to the environment. It is a colorless and odorless. Colorless मतलब रंगहीन, odorless मतलब गंधहीन गैस है. It is produced by the incomplete burning of the coal. तो ये प्रोड्यूस कैसे होती है? जब कोल जो होता है वो इनकम्प्लीटली बर्न होता है तो उससे ये प्रोड्यूस होती है. एंड it can combine with the hemoglobin of our blood and thus destroy these blood ability to carry oxygen. It is not safe to burn coal in a closed room temperature as carbon monoxide gas is produced due to the less oxygen and can kill the person sleeping in the room by suffocation. So this is the harmful effect of the burning of the fuel. The burning of the fuel releases carbon dioxide into the air in environment. It is emitted as a result of the harmful activities such as the burning of wood, coal, oil and natural gas. Plants use carbon dioxide for synthesizing their food. In this process, they release oxygen, but the amount of carbon dioxide emitted due to the human activities is higher than what all the plants in the wood can process, which in turn causes rise in overall temperature of the earth. This is called global warming. तो इस तरीके से ये ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का कारण बनती है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, क्योंकि ये गैस जो है ये ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग रिजल्ट द मेल्टिंग ऑफ द माउंटेन ग्लेशियर विच लीड्स टू द इंक्रीज इन द सी लेवल. तो सी लेवल इंक्रीज होता है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होती है, पेड़ पौधे कट जाते हैं, CO2 को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करते, जिसके वजह से जो है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होती है. बर्निंग ऑफ कोल, पेट्रोल, डीजल प्रोड्यूसेस द सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. Coal, crude oil and natural gas all contain sulfur compounds, and when these burn they produce the sulfur dioxide which is the poisonous, acidic and irritating. So this is the pollutant, these are the pollutant which get produced as a result of the burning of the fuels. Moreover, oxide of the sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in the rain water to form acid, that is called the acid rain, and most buildings are damaged due to the acid rain. Now fly ash, thermal power generation through the combustion of the coal produces minute particles of ash that causes serious environmental issue problems. These particles are commonly known as ash. It contains alumina, silica, oxide and of iron, magnesium and calcium. It also contains ash particles can enter the body and cause the irritation to eyes, skin, nose, throat and respiratory tract. So students, these are the harmful effect of these burning of the fuels which you have already seen here. My dear students, this video is having the less time because this chapter is get completed, and I would like to tell you that you have learned before this you have learned the flame and carbon dioxide as a fire extinguisher, controlling of the fire, type of the combustion and supporter of the combustion, ignition temperature, that all the things that you have already studied in this chapter. So my dear student, in the next video you will be able to solve the question and answer, that is the assessment which will be provided to you. So thank you very much. Have a great learning and thank you. Thank you.